Hello, welcome to our channel. Did you know that a simple vegetable can work wonders for your health? Yes, we're talking about the powerful carrot. In this video, we'll dive into a comprehensive guide on the incredible benefits of carrots and how they can transform your diet and, of course, your life. From improving your vision to giving your skin that natural glow, carrots are much more than just an ingredient in your salad. Stay with us and discover how to incorporate this superfood into your routine in a practical and delicious way. Get ready for a nutritious journey that will surprise you. Throughout human history, few foods have had such a rich and significant journey as the carrot. From ancient times, this humble orange vegetable has played a crucial role in the diet of various civilizations, crossing continents, cultures, and generations, always standing out as one of the most valued foods for both its nutritional properties and its adaptability to different dishes and cuisines. The origin of the carrot dates back thousands of years to regions that now include Afghanistan. Back then, the first carrots were quite different from the ones we know today. With colors ranging from purple, red, and yellow, they were more valued for their leaves and seeds than for their roots, which initially had a strong and bitter taste. The transformation of the carrot into a more flavorful and nutritious food was a gradual process, driven by agricultural practices and domestication over centuries. This development culminated in the orange carrot, which began gaining popularity in Europe around the 17th century, especially in the Netherlands, where horticulturists had selected the sweetest and most visually appealing varieties. Over the centuries, the carrot has established itself as an essential food in the human diet, gaining a reputation for its versatility and health benefits. The process of expanding the carrot around the world was accompanied by a growing appreciation for its medicinal and nutritional qualities. Since ancient times, doctors and herbalists recognized the therapeutic potential of the carrot. Hippocrates, the father of medicine, reportedly recommended using carrots as a natural remedy for various health conditions, including digestive issues and vision disorders. In the Middle Ages, carrots were considered an essential food for strengthening the body during recovery periods. Moving into modern times, science began to unveil the components that make carrots such a beneficial food. Carrot roots are particularly rich in beta-carotene, an antioxidant that the human body converts into vitamin A, crucial for maintaining healthy vision, boosting the immune system, and promoting cellular growth and development. Additionally, carrots are an excellent source of fiber, which aids in the digestive process and contributes to a feeling of fullness, making them a powerful ally in maintaining a healthy weight. In the 20th century, the popularity of carrots reached new heights during World War II, when the British government promoted carrots as a solution to food shortages. Propaganda campaigns, such as the famous Dr. Carrot, encouraged carrot consumption as a nutritious and easy-to-grow alternative. These campaigns also played on the popular belief that eating carrots could significantly improve night vision, a myth that, while partially based on the reality of vitamin A benefits, was largely used as a diversionary tactic to shift attention from secret military technology. However, carrots are not just about eye health. Modern scientific studies have shown that regular carrot consumption can help reduce the risk of various chronic diseases, including cardiovascular diseases and certain types of cancer. The antioxidant power of carotenoids in carrots contributes to protecting cells from damage caused by free radicals, while the dietary fiber in carrots helps regulate blood sugar levels and maintain a healthy digestive system. Besides internal benefits, carrots also have properties that can benefit skin health. Beta-carotene and other antioxidants help protect the skin from sun damage and delay skin aging. Regular inclusion of carrots in the diet can promote healthier skin with a natural glow and contribute to wound healing and inflammation reduction. In a cultural and culinary context, carrots have become a universal ingredient, found in traditional dishes from various cuisines around the world. Whether in soups, salads, stews, juices, or even desserts like the classic carrot cake, their versatility in cooking is undeniable. Each culture has its unique way of preparing and valuing carrots, but in all of them, the nutritious and beneficial essence of the vegetable remains unchanged. Moreover, carrots also play a significant role in sustainability and global food security. As a crop that is easy to grow, resilient, and able to thrive in different climatic conditions, carrots are an ideal choice for sustainable agricultural practices. They can be cultivated in small spaces, making them accessible to both commercial farmers and home gardeners. This ease of cultivation, combined with their nutritional value, makes carrots a crucial food in the fight against hunger and malnutrition in various parts of the world. In summary, over the centuries, the carrot has established itself as much more than just a vegetable. It is a true treasure of nutrients that spans the ages, benefiting both physical health and overall well-being. Through this video, we will explore in detail how carrots can be incorporated in a practical and delicious way into your diet, and how they can help you achieve a healthier and more balanced life. I invite you to join us on this historical and nutritional journey, discovering everything that carrots have to offer for your health and well-being. From their ancient origins to the latest scientific discoveries, every aspect of the carrot will be explored and explained, showing how this humble vegetable can indeed be the key to a healthy diet and a longer, more prosperous life. If you found this video useful and are excited to learn more about the benefits of carrots and how they can transform your health, don't forget to like, subscribe to the channel, and hit the bell icon to not miss any of our updates. We want to hear from you about your experiences with carrots. Share your stories and results in the comments. Your feedback is essential for us to continue bringing content that you love. See you next time.